Hello everyone, it's me Beata from horoscopesandreadings.com, and now I would like to forecast your May 2017 horoscope. So in case you have your sun sign in Pisces or your rising sign in Pisces, then this video is for you. I would like to tell you that I have divided this forecast into main categories which are impacted the most during this month. So let's get started. First, I would like to point on one thing. Planets which are on your chart are mostly now focused on the lower part of your chart. That means that they are very far from the MC, which is all connected to your career. That means that your main focus in May should be on your domestic life first. So you should definitely focus on your domestic things, on your house, on your home, on your family, in whatever way you want to, because this can bring you satisfaction and results. But on the contrary, if you want to, for instance, change the job or things like that, or achieve your biggest career achievements in May, this is not a good idea to do it in May, okay? It will be all about your private life, but not only family life, but your overall private inner landscape. So try to focus on you and on your family. Yes, you can benefit from it. Of course, no one you know uh, can tell you that you cannot achieve your goals, your career goals now, but you can be disappointed. Okay, now next thing I would like to talk about is love area. Love is all about receiving gifts and communication in May. So if you are in committed relationship, you will enjoy love in tangible ways. So you can definitely receive many presents or gifts. I don't know why, but that's what I've seen in your chart. And you will also be the one who will like to give gifts to your loved ones. Yes, so it will be very tangible, maybe a little bit materialistic, but whatever, it's okay. And on the other side, at the, let's say, almost at the end of the month, love will be closely connected to communication. So if you want to enter a new relationship, this is actually better time to do it at the end of the month. Maybe it will not be very, let's say, lasting or long lasting, but it can be definitely very nice experience on a mental level for you. Okay, so I'm done with this forecast. I would like to tell you that this forecast is very general because it is based only on your sun sign. But if you really want to reveal your own personal future for you, you should ask for a report from the professional astrologer. If this video resonates with you, you can subscribe to my channel, and I wish you very nice month. Bye bye.